Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as you see here, that the SP500, what it done today, if you remember yesterday when we used to be here in that level, what me I told you yesterday, the market here, he couldn't give us another high. And there is something not right there. And that's what it's showing to us till now. As you see it, even today, it fell down here. And it went up a little bit here. So us we stay in here. And here it give us something not right. Look at it. If you came to the top of the three dots, that one here, and that one here. And you try to connect them like that, just by a line like that. What you got there, the market he couldn't give you another high, as you see it, because if you see from down here, the market every time he used to give you low, high like that, low, down, high here, low here, and over here it used to give us another high, yes or no? But at this time, what happened here? Look at it. He gave us here a low, but he couldn't give us another high than the previous one here. So the market here is showing to us there is something not right. Or another scenario, it might here it will just stay sideways, then it's going to give us another high. Even that one is a scenario. Now what should we do us as normal traders? We don't care about nothing. We'll come here and we will do a line like that, and we will come down here and we will do a line like that. That's it. That's the only thing else we have here. What is named? That one is a symmetric triangle. Now also we will wait in either the break to happen down here for us to enter short, or the break to happen here for us to enter long. That's it. Wait a little bit till the right moment happening. Everything is too clear. And also before, what we used to say? We used to say we have here a uptrend like that. Did that trend change? No, my friend. That uptrend, it's still in an uptrend. And the SP500, if you remember, the people they watching our daily analysis, as we told you, the SP500 is it in an uptrend, and it hasn't changed yet. So you need to remember those things very, 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 very well. It might down, it will break it, it will fall down just till here to touch that trend line, then after to go up. That means if you are trading in the small time frames, you're going to make some money from here till here. But for swing trading, it's not yet. It's need to break here, that trend line here, for you to enter short, and for the long it just need to break here for you to enter long. Everything is too clear here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it's been here at the overbought area for some time now. Shall we enter short? I'll show you everything for you to enter short. You got here an uptrend like that. I don't want to start it from down. As you see, if that one getting broke here, enter short. Another thing, what you got here, that one here. That symmetric triangle like that. Look at it. Even if that one getting broke here, enter short. If it's not, there is no interest. So you waiting till the right time came and you entering short. If it's breaking higher here, you will enter long again. Like how it happened here. People they been with me, they remember those things very well. We used to have here a megaphone here, and we used to wait it to get broke down. It doesn't, it's broke up, and also we go with it up. That's what also here we're saying, guys. Till now, there is nothing. You should wait more. Either the break to happen here or to happen here. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see the SP500, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, that symmetric triangle, it looks very clear compared to 4 hours. Look at it here. Look at it here. And look down here, how it's looking. You see it or no? If that one came and breaking lower here, it's going to fall down. If that one go up and breaking up, it's going to go higher. That's what us we've been talking for some time now. Like how we used to have here, just a trend line. You forget about symmetric triangle or anything. Just make a trend line like that. Us we enter from here, long till here. Yes or no? Now you have here a trend line like that. Look at it. But how to make the top one? If it came down one here and breaking down here, you enter short. That's it. For the top, it's the same thing. You came connecting those dots together like that. All those dots. That one here, that one here, that one here, and that one here. You see them how connecting them? And you waiting the break to happen either up. You enter more long. It fall down and breaking the downtrend. I show you here. That one here. A candle. The break it meant a candle to close below that level like that. The close of the candle to be down. By the way, if you want to learn more about technical analysis, down below there is our highly recommended course. The course is hosted in Udemy. The course is not expensive, it's only 13 bucks. And believe me, that course is better than million of courses you buy online by $1,000 and $2,000. But that's not our topic. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is showing to us it entered here to the overbought area. So technically now also we need to look in for a short opportunity. Yes or no? To enter short, what you need to do? Look with me. That trend line, that's it. You connect it like that. When it's getting broke here, you enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one is the same thing like the SP 500. There is nothing here changed. Look at it here. Look at it here. Got a very clear symmetric triangle here. If that one came and breaking down here, you enter short. Very clear. There is nothing hard there. And also what we said here about the Nasdaq 100. What also we said. Used to said we got here a up channel like that. Look at it how it started. From the down, that one here. That one here and that one here. You connecting those dots, that 4 times it's being touched, yes or no? So me, my personal view, I think it's going to stay sideways here till it will touch in the trend line, then after that it will go up. But me now, I give you all the options. Why me? I'm still believing the Nasdaq and the SP 500, they are still going up because of the daily. By the way, if you are just came now, let me show you why me I'm still believing it's still going up. Let me show you why. If you go here in the daily, what we got here, look with me here. You got here a double bottom here, like that, very clear here. The neckline of it was here, in that level here. It's breaking here. People they been with us, they remember that break that day. We came here to that level here, and that normal in the market, because the market will not working like that, going up like that. The market working like that with waves. Tonight we're going to see a small correction or something, because also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. How many times it's being touched here, here, and here. That 3 times. So it might now we're going to see a small correction, but the market is still going up, guys. And another thing I show it to you here in the daily. Just showing those things because I know people they been with me. I showed them all those things, but maybe you just came now. I'll try to show you all those things. What me I told you here in that level here, exactly what you used to have here. You used to have here a megaphone, and that megaphone it's getting broke here. The take profit for that one with getting broke here, it needs to be here in the top, exactly here. I think picture is too clear, guys. There is nothing complicated here. Now it's going back to the 4 hours. So here we are in the 4 hours. Now in the 4 hours, you got 2 scenarios. If that one came and breaking here, the trend line up, you enter long. If it came and breaking down here, you enter short. That's it. And if you enter long, you put stop loss. If you enter short, you put stop loss. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us also we are at the overbought for some time now. That's why me I told you don't follow indicators, guys. Look how long it's been here at the overbought area. So anyone he enter from here, he lose all his account if he doesn't use stop loss. You need a price action to tell you, because price action it doesn't repent itself. When you got a price action, it's staying there forever. People they been with us, they remember those things. We used to have here a triangle like that. When it's getting broke here in that level, that's where all the people and me are interlocked. Till now. Why we haven't go out till now? Because we don't got any price action indicating the market is going to reverse. That's it. If it give us here a price action like that, as I show you now, it's getting broke here, you enter short. That's it, and you close. If you been with us from the down here, you close all the profit. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing in 30 minutes. We're going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here, look at it. Here, look at that symmetric triangle. How clear it is here. Look, you see it or not? Now that one, if it came down here and breaking down here in that level here, breaking that downtrend, make it just trend you. We don't know how to draw those things, just learning to draw trend. If it's breaking down here, you enter short, guy. Like how people they been with us that just 2 days or 3 days now. We be in here. We're connecting those dots, that one and that one. It came the news, the Fed in that forum, or Jerome Powell in that forum, he started talking the market, because at the time of news, that's when me I told people they follow me, don't enter in time of news. Look what's happened here. Going up and down. That is name manipulation. Then after that, what happened? In that candle, all of you enter long tail here. Over here, we don't got a clear price action. Even now, we don't got a clear price action here. The only clear price action here is that one. A downtrend here. If that one came and break it down here, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, and also we're talking, and I think it's breaking now. But even if it's breaking, you don't need to enter now. It needs the candle here to finish for you to enter. You need to remember those things very, very well, because if you've been trading for some time, when the candle is still going, it will touch it, then after that to give you a tell. That candle is left for it 5 minutes. It's not yet breaking. Is it in that level now. Look at it. But it's not yet breaking. That's what me I told you. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it touch here the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for a short opportunity. So enter, I'll show you everything. You came here and the trend line here. If it's getting broke here, you enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. What me I told you in the last video here. Here, let me show it to you. What me I told you here exactly, guys. Here, in that level here. What me I told you. People, they be in with me. You remember it or no? You remember it? Write it for us down in a comment. What me I told you here. I told you we got here like that. A down channel like that. Yes or no? And I told you we touch the top of it here. When we just touch in here. Yes or no? And look here, something happening here. It fell down. The 200 moving average here. When it's getting broke here, because the 200 moving average is reacting like a support and a resistance. Over here, it used to react like a resistance. It's getting broke here in that level here. Over here, it's getting broke. The market it went up till here. Then it fell down. The 200 moving average here, how it react like a very stronger support. The market it went up here again. It came back here again today. That now over here, the 200 moving average still reacting like a very stronger support now. So now also here in that level, what we got? We came here in the top. We got the market here. It couldn't give you higher high. Yes or no? And down here, he give you a price action like that. So now, if that one came and breaking up, you enter more long. If it's breaking down, you enter more short. And in the last video, what me I told you here, because that one me today, enter in it. We make it like that yesterday, like that. We go into it in 30 minutes, then I show it to you where I enter and where I go out. I told you if it's breaking here, you enter short. Look at it. We are entering it in British pound, USD. Or cable. Now, what the view I think that one is going to reverse. That's my view personally. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, when it touch here the overbought area, as the last time here, what me I told you, we're looking for short. Same thing now. It touch it here, we need to look for short because that one US dollar is in a falling market or a downtrend. Now, if it's breaking down here, you enter short, guys. Remember those things very, very, very well. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here the last video, just the last video where I analyze the SP 500 and the Nasdaq and those things. You go back and watch it, not the Bitcoin one, before the previous one. I told you here like that. Me, I remember it very, 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 very well. I told you like that, guys. I told you we got here downtrend here and here and here exactly we used to be. Then me I told you that one is going to break. Why me I told you that one is going to break? Because he couldn't go higher and to give you another high. What happened? Over here it's breaking today. And me I enter in it short in the US dollar. I enter long in British pound. Look at it, it fell down till here. I just close it now before I came to register that video. Look at it. That's how is it trading? Very simple. You just drawing a line like that. You wait in the break. What happened? It's getting broke. You enter. That's it. Now here in that level where we are now. Look here. Forget about the past. Forget about everything. Just look with me here. See that one and that one. What you got? You got a downtrend. We don't want to come here and we told you we got a channel. We got something. Just a downtrend. The top two lines. If the market came and breaking up here, you enter long. That's it. That's the only thing you waiting now. If the market came and breaking here, you enter long. For you to enter short again. People, they haven't entered. Let's say you're being busy or something like that. You came here and you draw in here. You see the down channel here. If the market came and breaking down here, you enter short again. And that's what my view personal. I think is going to fall down more than that. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's entered here to the oversold area again. So now technically you need to looking for a buy opportunity. A buy opportunity, that's it. For you to enter buy, it's need that one to come to break here. That level here for you to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry. And that moving upward, that's what else we call it market close. Because every time the market is dropping, the market close, then after that it's making that correction. Actually, also we got a course about the trading strategy. Then it's making like that. Every time the market close, it's doing the same thing. But you look with me here. Forget about all that. Forget about from here. You just focus it with me here. What you got here? That low over here, I give you a high. I give you another low here. So it might, that one, it will go back to touch the trend line, yes or no. Then after that, it will give you another low. Even that one is a scenario. You need to put all the scenarios in the side and to still waiting what's going to happen. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes here. Same thing. Nothing was changed here. The only thing here in the Bitcoin, also we got here a down channel like that, as you see it, very sharp down channel. And here also we still waiting that level to be broken. People, they follow me in the Bitcoin, when I analyze the Bitcoin, that level here in the 4 hours, if it's getting broke, Bitcoin is going to fall down a lot, guys. Look at that here. Look with me here. What I'm going to show you here in that level. Also, we are here only in 30 minutes. Look here, what you got. You got a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? And now you touch it again. If that one getting broke, you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down a lot, guys. You need to remember those things. You are in the last defense now for the Bitcoin to fall down, to go back to 19K. Also, we don't care where it will go back. That me, I'm just showing you. And here, now, that's for the short. For the long, what you need? For the long, if the Bitcoin came and breaking that uptrend line here. You see it or no? That for the long. And you got another small trend line here. Look at it. Even that one you need to look at it. If it came here and breaking here, you enter long again. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is telling us also we are here at the oversold area. So technically now also we need to looking for a buy. We enter long. First thing, got that small trend line here, and you got that long term one here. So if that one came and breaking here, it will go back to that long term one here. If you want to enter from that smaller one to that one, yes, you can. But for you to enter up till it will break in here, it needs to break the long one. That's the first scenario. For the short, if it's breaking down here, you enter short, guy. Remember that. For the short, look with me. You just came to that last low here, that one. If the Bitcoin breaking here, you enter short. Remember those things. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button and to writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. See you after the daily candle finished. Bye for now, guys.